gratitude of enjoying that as you go out there. Grateful for that.
So, I finished Frankenstein. Interesting. Not the ending that I probably would have picked. Sabah al khair. You see that cat eye? Uh-huh. Meow, meow. So it's Tuesday, January 6th. I just wished Kessler happy birthday. Tomorrow is school? I need to like get in school mode. Because I'm going to try again. I'm going to try another semester at this school that I go to. So, it's also, I see blue sky, which is really good. I love blue sky. I also see some white clouds. So that's double awesome. I'm going to get up in 10 seconds. Okay. I didn't want I don't want to. I don't want to. Ugh. I slept kind of crazy. Like, but babe, you can't even tell what's who and who's where. I made this candle 3/4 black. See? And 1/4 frankincense and myrrh. No, I didn't steal it from any young person. To make it easier on myself, I put my meds in a little cuppy. So in the morning I don't have to like exert any effort. It's perfect. I need to write down what I'm doing so that I begin something. A breakfast with protein. Come on, let's get out of here. Come on. Shall I stay? Would it be us? And then tomorrow we'll see. really there's like nothing perfect in life except for my therapy sessions with Annabella. It always goes exactly where it needs to. She always asks the right questions. Like I make progress every time. In between us meeting and then when we meet, even in the 1 hour, I always like, oh my gosh. I'm so happy that I chose to work so hard so long ago and haven't stopped even when literally all hell broke loose 7 times over. So yay for that. And I have a few to-do list items, but it should be very chill.
If staff is still cooking at 7, ask me to walk to Purple Turtle or Taco Amigo and eat by 7 and back here. And maybe 6:30 or so.
Do you know what time we ate yesterday? Do you remember? It was 5:30.
A bit too early.
There's no perfect time. Daisy till we both run dry. I'm feeling kind of nauseous. What's that about? Oh, my headphones. I've been looking for you. Ouchie. Come on, you guys. Okay. At work, I made dinner. I've been watching a lot of YouTube, but now I'm gonna call somebody to confirm a date for tomorrow, but I'm scared. Then I'm like, wait, I've called so many people in my life. I can do this. I'm just like, I'm gonna forget how to speak English. The moment ended quickly because it went straight to voicemail, and I got a text that said, sorry, I can't talk right now, which is like one of those automated things, but I didn't want to talk anyway, so this is good. Mm-hmm. Two of my toes are numb. I don't know how to bring feeling back. I have a date tomorrow. I'm convinced he hates me.